Well, with that, we have some big breaking news which is coming in. Ahead of the Babri construction, you have a massive provocation coming in from the state of West Bengal. Well, the Bengal Babri provocation has intensified as a suspended TMC MLA, Humayun Kabir, has declared that construction of a new Babri masjid in West Bengal's Murshidabad district will begin today, even as we speak. In fact, Humayun Kabir has said that the foundation stone laying ceremony is going to be held in Baldenga in Murshidabad with around 5,000 people who are expected to attend. So as you can see, cometh the polls, cometh the polarizing politics. In fact, watch this, listen in to yourself.
यहाँ कुछ मुसलमान को वो पुलिस वाला लेके वो एसडीपीओ बेलडंगा मुर्शिदाबाद बहरमपुर पुलिस पीडी एसपी वो कुछ मुसलमान और नाजमुल हक बोल के एक मुफ्ती है भगवान गुला घर है इनको लेके क्या क्या किया सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स मेरा पास आया तो एसपी को सबक सिखाएंगे 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक 1 लाख आदमी लेके ये नया एसपी जो आया जो ये बाबरी मस्जिद को खिलाफ जो कार्रवाई कर रहा है इनको सबक सिखाएगी मैं 14 तारीख बेला 11 से 1 बजे तक.
But let me go across to Hridata, who's joining us live with all the details. Hridata, an open dare, and that too to the SP, the Superintendent of Police by Humayun Kabir, saying that sabak sikha denge, that we are going to teach him a lesson for trying to interfere with the building of a Babri in Murshidabad. What's happening on the ground?
Absolutely, this is not for the first time that Humayun Kabir has instilled such kind of threats to the SP or even to the state ruling party. Earlier, when he was related to the state ruling party, he had given such threats to the Chief Minister herself and her party, and now to the SP of the region of Murshidabad has been instilled such threats by him. He has said that whoever is opposing it, I would ask them to step aside because anybody who comes in between will face severe consequences. If you remember last time when regarding this matter, the police had entered into his house. The police was also threatened, and not only threatened, but the police thana was said that it would be attacked and it would be gherified by the Janta Unnayan party, which is being headed by Humayun Kabir now, and this is for the second time today from the morning in Murshidabad, Beldanga. We see that the Babri Masjid's building has already been started. We can see that the bricks have been laid. There are T-shirts which is being spread among people to spread the words of Babri Masjid.
On with us, Hridata. That's the next big breaking news that we want to tell our viewers about, that you are referring to. T-shirts are on sales which say, I love Babri. All new Babri merch is now up for sale and are being distributed. This on your screens is what you can see. It says Babri Masjid and you have flowers and hearts around it. These are T-shirts. There are, of course, also mugs which are now being distributed. They're up for sale. This is the Babri merch, the Masjid merch, which now has been put out as along with the construction of the Babri Masjid, which has begun. Now, this is very interesting because it's not just about construction on the ground, which is happening by Humayun Kabir and what he promises, 1 lakh of his supporters, but there's also active marketing of the new Babri Masjid, which is done by this merch that we can see on our screens. Hridata, tell us, what does it say? I believe this says Babri Masjid, and what is the marketing plan behind this?
The T-shirt that you were referring to, or the T-shirt which is on our screen, it can already show written words of I love Babri, which is again a strategic plan to put it out in people, especially the people who have been opposing it, or the people of Murshidabad who has come up and said that we are not going to follow the words of Humayun Kabir, and it is now a living threat to them that even if the party absconds me or puts me out, I am not going to stop at anything. It is of showing power, and power beyond the authorities is what now Humayun Kabir has been questioning. That is why you see after the foundation stone, which has been laid from today noon, and then the construction work began, we see people who have been coming from far and abroad are wearing this kind of t-shirts, and they are not only wearing, but a recitation of Quran is also happening at the ground, and this is actually challenging the authority out there in the grounds that you can see.
Well, absolutely. It's a challenge to the authority. Let me explain this Babri merchandise once again. And I'm going to draw your attention to the t-shirt, which is going to be at the bottom of your screens now, which very clearly says, I love Babri. There are several different designs. It's not just one t-shirt, one design. Several designs, as you can see, multiple designs which have been said. This one says Babri Masjid with a heart on top. There is another t-shirt that we are going to draw your attention to, this one. This one clearly says, I love Babri Masjid. And you have the image of what a Babri Masjid, which is going to be now built in Murshidabad, looks like. This is the one that you must look at very closely, because this is written very clearly in English as well. This is the other t-shirt design, which has got a heart above Babri Masjid. So there is active posturing. The optics are very clear. And the polarizing bid is even more clearer. In fact, let me go back across to Pooja Mehta, who's joining us. Pooja, the importance of this kind of optics, it's not even just the construction. Now there is a big merch push as well. Marketing, active marketing happening of the Babri Masjid in Murshidabad. How significant is this going to be ahead of the critical polls which are coming up in the state?
Well, absolutely. We are right at the site where the Babri Masjid is coming up, and I'll take you across the visuals. The place that you see right across the road, that is the very site where the masjid is coming up. But you can see that there are these makeshift eateries, small restaurants, and also shops selling merchandise that have cropped up around both sides of the highway, right next to the site where the Babri Masjid is being built. So clearly it is about the optics, and how Humayun Kabir is trying to encash through the opportunity of building a Babri Masjid. However, while speaking to a lot of people who've gathered here since morning, they are saying that this should not be viewed as something which might reap benefits for Humayun Kabir in the elections that are going to be held in just next 2 months in West Bengal. They're saying that this is a purely religious event, and it should be looked at from the optics of a religious, through religious sentiments, and also a religious side being developed. However, as far as the elections are concerned, they're saying, and they're extremely tight-lipped as to whom are they going to vote for, but they're saying, leave the masjid aside. We may or may not vote for Humayun Kabir, but as far as the Babri Masjid is concerned, it is a very emotional thing for them, and they are gathering here in huge numbers to catch a glimpse of the site where the masjid is coming up.
Very interesting. So people are still keeping the cards close to their chest, but it'll be interesting to see how politics of polarization may just be taking center stage yet again in the state of West Bengal. Well, it's important for us to understand this, because it's not just about pandering to a certain sentiment by building an alternate Babri Masjid in Murshidabad. It's also the big marketing push. This is in your face and as open as it gets, that it's all about optics. The optics cannot be left out. It's not just about faith. In fact, this is the picture that I was referring to earlier as well, of a t-shirt which has the design of I love Babri. This is the second design which has got a heart over Babri Masjid, and you have this one which says I love Babri Masjid. In addition to this, we are also showing you mugs as well, which are now being put out. Remember, this is called a foundation, which is run by Humayun Kabir, which is pushing out this merch, the masjid merch, if you may, out on the day when they are going to start construction. Of course, there are open threats and dares going out to the police, to the superintendent of the police as well. But in the midst of it all, it's interesting to see the aggressive marketing push which comes along with it. In fact, let me go back across to Pooja, who's there where that site of construction is. Pooja, on the ground, we've already had the dhamki which has come in from Humayun Kabir to the SP, but also you have more details now coming in where Humayun Kabir claims that 1,000 of his followers are going to be there on the ground, starting construction at 1 p.m. on the ground. What's the situation?
Well, absolutely. The program was supposed to be held in two parts. The first part purely being a religious program where, there was supposed to be recitations from the Quran, which has been done, and now into the second phase of the program where officially the construction for the Babri Masjid has begun. You can see that people are gathering in huge numbers around the site. There are excavators, there are JCBs which are working round the clock, and they have begun the construction work. So after the second part of the program that concludes today, what is very interesting is that tomorrow Humayun Kabir will be taking out and starting his Babri Yatra, which is supposed to begin from Nadia district's Plasi, and it will go up till Itihar. It will be spread across the next 2-3 days, and there will be a huge convoy of vehicles as a part of the Yatra, and he is going to share details of the Babri Masjid with people of West Bengal.
Well, in fact, Pooja, do stay on with us. We'll just come back to you. Let me go across to Rahul Sinha of the BJP, who's joining us. Rahul Sinha, we all know that this has been in the making for over a year now. 2 months back, you had the foundation stone also being laid by Humayun Kabir. Today, the construction begins of the Murshidabad Babri Masjid. But what's interesting, in the midst of this politics and faith, which seem to have combined together, you have this massive marketing push also, which is quite a new twist, isn't it? A marketing push. There is merch of I Love Babri, which is being circulated.
देखिए, जो धर्मप्राण मुसलमान है, वो कभी आक्रमणकारी बाबर का नाम में कोई मस्जिद को स्वीकार नहीं करेंगे, और इस्लाम में भी ऐसा कोई प्रावधान नहीं है जो बाबर का नाम पर मस्जिद बने। लेकिन बात यही है, ममता बनर्जी हुमायूं कबीर से ये सब करा रहा है इसीलिए जो एक सांप्रदायिक तनाव पैदा हो और इसमें हिंदू मुसलमान का एक कम्युनल टेंशन खड़ा हो, और उसमें तृणमूल कांग्रेस का लाभ ज्यादा होगा। कारण अभी SIR होने का बाद तृणमूल कांग्रेस जो सत्ता में रहा, इतना सारे खराब काम करने का बावजूद भी आज उन्होंने देखा जो आने वाला चुनाव में उनका भविष्य नहीं है, और इसीलिए वो देखते हैं एकमात्र टेंशन पैदा करके कम्युनलिज्म को बढ़ावा देके पश्चिम बंगाल में वो जीतने का कोशिश कर रहा है।
कम्युनलिज्म तो आ गया है, मगर राहुल सिन्हा जी TMC बोलिए ये बीजेपी करवा रहा है। ममता बनर्जी TMC बोले हमने तो हुमायूं कबीर को एक्सपेल कर दिया, वो तो हमारे पार्टी में भी नहीं है, वो तो बी टीम है बीजेपी।
एक्सपेल जो किया वो तो नाटक है।
अच्छा,
बीजेपी का क्या लेना देना है? कारण बीजेपी तो देख रहा है एक मुसलमान का ग्रुप का वोट जो अभी इस बार तृणमूल कांग्रेस में नहीं जाएगा, वो तृणमूल को हराने के लिए वोट बीजेपी में आने वाला है। उस वोट को रोकने के लिए हुमायूं कबीर को तृणमूल कांग्रेस खड़ा किया, जो बीजेपी में मुसलमान का एक पोर्शन का वोट ना जाए, वोट कम से कम हुमायूं का और चला जाएगा, तो तृणमूल कांग्रेस के लिए
आपको लगता है कि हुमायूं कबीर बीजेपी का वोट कट करेगा?
हुमायूं कबीर बीजेपी का वोट नहीं कट करेगा, वो तो बीजेपी में जो आने वाला वोट है, जो मुसलमान वोट जो इस बार तृणमूल से नाराज होकर
बीजेपी का मुस्लिम वोट कट कर देगा क्या?
उसी वोट को कटेगा आपका हुमायूं कबीर, जो तृणमूल के लिए फायदेमंद होगा। डायरेक्ट वोट बीजेपी में आ जाता मुसलमान वोट, तो तृणमूल के लिए भयंकर क्षति का हो जाता, और उसी लिए उन्होंने उस वोट को डाइवर्ट करने का कोशिश कर रहा है, लेकिन उसमें कुछ नहीं होगा। जो मुसलमान लोग अभी तृणमूल को हटाना चाहते हैं, वो सीधा वोट भारतीय जनता पार्टी को करेगी। वो हुमायूं कबीर को ढाल बना के तृणमूल कांग्रेस बच नहीं सकते।
ये तो बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात की, एट अ टाइम व्हेन द TMC is saying that we've already expelled Humayun Kabir, it is BJP indulging in polarizing politics. Rahul Sinha of the BJP says that this is all being carefully orchestrated by Mamta Banerjee government, even though this MLA, Humayun Kabir, is now giving open dhamkis to even the Bengal police. Well, in fact, let's also tell our viewers, other than the political fight, it's been 2 months after laying the foundation of the Babri replica. The construction of the project that we are discussing is about to begin today. Around 1 p.m. is when we expect all the action to pick up on the ground. Meanwhile, our colleague Pooja, who is still with us, well, she's filed this report a short while back as to what's really happening at the spot where the construction of Murshidabad's Babri Masjid is going to begin.
construction for the proposed Babri Masjid in Murshidabad's Bendanga has officially begun. We're currently at Beldanga, right near the site where the Babri Masjid will come up. What you see behind me are the huge excavators and JCB machines working here round the clock, and Humayun Kabir, as he claims that the entire masjid will be ready in the next 2 to 3 years. Today the work officially began. You can see several workers here who are involved in construction work, and there are hundreds of people who are coming from faraway places to take a glimpse and catch a glimpse of what really the Babri Masjid will look like. There is a huge gathering that is currently here at the site where the Babri Masjid is going to come up. You can see that there are arrangements in place so that it can accommodate a lot of people who are reaching here to catch a glimpse of the masjid. Today the work officially began after a religious program that was conducted by Humayun Kabir. From 12th February, another program will commence in relation to this Babri Masjid. Humayun Kabir will be leading the Babri Yatra from Nadia District Palasi to Itahar. It will be spread across several days, where he is going to reach out to the people of West Bengal with the message of Babri Masjid, and also he will share details of the Babri Masjid. What you see behind me is work going on war footing, because as Humayun Kabir claims that the construction work will fully be completed in the next 2-3 years. About 10 crore rupees have been received here as a part of the donations, and about 2 to 3 crore worth construction material has been donated by a lot of people here. It could be stone chips, it could be cement, and it could be bricks that have been donated here from the people who are not just coming from West Bengal but from faraway places and want to be part of the construction of the Babri Masjid. In Murshidabad's Beldanga with video journalist Kaushik, this is Pooja Mehta for Times Now.
Well, this continues to be a top focus story here on Times Now. For the time being, however, short break. Don't go